Well, look what I got. It's a 85 Dodge Ram D100. And I guess I'll do a cold start for you. Dirty factory wheels. It's set for a year. I picked it up yesterday. So I ain't even cleaned it. All I did was put a battery in it, drive it home. $180,000 miles. Speedometer ain't working, but the odometer does. Very few little things wrong with it. But yeah, there's the gas pedal. I ain't gonna touch it. Oh, come on. Maybe I gotta hit the gas. Okay. Let's try it now. Oh look, there it goes. It did need a shot. That's the only rust. And there it is, idling. Still in the cold idle. I'll pop the hood. It's a 318 automatic. Look familiar, huh? So smooth. Here, let me put the camera on the air filter. Barely even moving. This thing is smooth as butter. I'll do a better video for y'all after I recover. I did something to my ankle. Don't know what I did, but yeah, I'm healing up pretty quick. So enjoy. There's more to come.